Hi, it's Gary here from Koozai, and today I'm just going to quickly show how to set up the control functions in Data Studio Report. So this is like the ones at the top here, and you're probably used to seeing the date range one, but I'm just going to show the changes which you make for like channel selectors, source, country, things like that. So here we just got raw data. So you have to do it on a page by page basis. So you just add a control by heading up here. And then there's various ones you can do, but for this, I just do drop down list. I find that's easiest for clients and everyone to deal with. So obviously, I'm going to be styling on there yet, but I'll just worry about what the control field and metrics are. So the default one is date, but for this one, I want to change that to country to see where people are coming from. And there we can see that's duplicated the one up there, but you'll have the options on there to select the countries on this list, and then it will change the other data on the sheet. So there you can see it's just changed those users and sessions and the graphs as well. I'll just show another example just to show how it changes. And there we go. I'll just make it back to default now. You might notice sometimes on these the metric is empty, so you won't get the numbers at the side. So sometimes it'll come up as this. Which is, fine, it still functions the same. So if I click on only on there, it should update the same, just those, all the traffic from Zimbabwe there. So let's get rid of that. But you can make this metric anything you want. So sometimes default sessions, but I find a users one is sometimes more helpful. But yeah, when that's edited on this side, then it updates on the control as well. So I've just got those, and you can sort the order out on here. But for this one, we'll just go on the US, and there we go. You can see that's that same data from the users or sessions. Similarly, at the top, we've got like channel, source, device categories, but you can pretty much use it with any control field and then your metrics. So depending on what you want to see, showing different things in the control section as well with the filters and segmentation, that's all still valid. So yeah, you can get quite a lot of control over sort of one quick report, and it's particularly useful for clients to go through rather than battling with analytics, which I know a lot of people aren't used to as well. So yeah, that's just how we make the quick controls and filtering in Data Studio reports. Thanks.